Okay, here it goes. The breakdown. It's the XD9. Subcompact. It's got my little special grip on there, you can see. Alright, let's take that out. Take that out. And then take that out. Take that out. Take that out. And we even see you got the 40 cal barrel. It actually could fit if you order the right piece. It's universal pretty much. But we ain't gonna do that though. We're gonna go back, you know. Alright, so we're gonna go back here. It's just showing you how to break it down in case you gotta clean it. And go back here. That there. And then put that right on the lip. Oops. Didn't go in right. Here we go. We got gold there. Back. That back. Bring that down. Back in action. Alright. That's the 9mm. Put that to the side, no ammo. Alright, no ammo. You'll never put the ammo in there. Not when you're breaking down. Got that. Bam, bam. 40. Alright, see, ammo right there. No ammo. Alright, and 40 same way. 40 go. Bam. The pin in there. It lines up perfect. Perfect. It's good assembly. No ammo. Alright. Pretty much a done deal. So you can see everything's pretty much set up right. You know? And it's the end of this short little clip. Kind of teach you how to break it down and get back in there and clean in case you got to. You know, you never know sometimes. All right, thanks for watching.